Thanks everyone for coming to this first kind of meetup thing. Jack brought refreshments. It's just 2 donuts. So.
I had a dream last night. It was the exact plot of We Bought a Zoo.
What am I excited about for this project? What do most people say? Jack told me that the play is better than Arthur Miller. I think who's Arthur Miller?
Why am I excited to be here? Pass.
The money. What a rogue and peasant slave am I.
I'm excited to play the lead. The mother is such a complex role, and I just can't wait to delve into her.
I'd have to say I'm most excited to show my tremendous range.
What do you want? Oh, you my mother! Hey, we're all good fellas! Scene 3.
Me? I'm excited to grow. I'm excited to learn. I'm excited to work with Mr. Marvin.
Come check it out. It's gonna be magic.